Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to clear iPhone system data without deleting your apps. So first, open settings, then tap on general, then select iPhone storage. Give your iPhone a moment to calculate how much storage is being used. Now scroll down and check the amount listed as system data. There isn't a single button that completely clears system data, but you can reduce unnecessary temporary files. Start by restarting your iPhone. This can clear some temporary system files. Next, open Safari and clear website data if you don't need your browsing history. You can also review large downloads, message attachments, and other cached content taking up space. And you need to make sure your iPhone is running the latest supported iOS version, since updates can sometimes improve your storage management. And avoid deleting random system files or using questionable apps. So you can reduce unnecessary system data without deleting your installed app. Now that is it for this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.